Hi there, and welcome to the Beginning Genealogy series from the Pioneer Room at the Escondido Public Library. Did you know the Pioneer Room is a FamilySearch affiliate library? That means you have access to millions of digital family history records right here in Escondido. Today, we're excited to show you one of FamilySearch's newest tools, Full-Text Search. We'll go over what it is, where to find it, and a few easy tricks to help you get the most out of it. So what is full-text search? In simple terms, it's like a super-powered search engine. FamilySearch uses artificial intelligence to read old handwriting and turn it into searchable text. That opens the door to nearly 2 billion historical records, many that used to be available only as images. Now, with just a name, place, or keyword, you can uncover details hidden in things like court records, registers, newspapers, and more. You'll need to create a free FamilySearch account to access the records. Once you're signed in, you can find full-text search under the main search menu. Just click on Full Text. Or in the FamilySearch catalog, where you'll see which collections are full-text searchable. Let's try out 2 quick examples. We'll start on the full-text page under the search menu. Just type in a name, place, or keyword and see what comes up. The results will list possible records your ancestor might appear in, along with a short text summary. Don't see what you're looking for right away? Try experimenting. Enter the name in both the keywords field and the name field to see how the results change. The keywords field is especially powerful. You can search for occupations like farmer, or relationship terms like son, adopted, or widow. When you click on a result, you'll see a few options. Toggle to Fact View to see people, places, and dates pulled out of the record. You'll also get access to both a digital image of the original record and a computer-generated transcript. The transcript is really helpful when the handwriting is hard to read. Don't miss the Summary tab either. Here, the AI provides a translation into English. Just remember, because it's AI-generated, there may be some mistakes. Always double-check the original image. Once you've found something useful, you can download the original document, complete with a summary, transcript, and citation to save into your research notes. Now, let's say you're already familiar with certain records in the FamilySearch catalog. Keep an eye out for the little Page Plus icon next to a collection. That icon tells you those records are now full-text searchable, meaning you can dig deeper into the collections you might already know and use. Here are a few quick tips. If you're looking for an exact match, just put your word or phrase inside quotation marks. If you want to be sure a certain word shows up, add a plus sign in front of it. Need to leave something out? Use a minus sign to exclude it. Not sure about spelling? Drop in a question mark for the tricky letter. And if you'd like to see every version of a word, try an asterisk. For example, CAR asterisk will bring back results like car, cars, carriage, carpenter, and more. And here's something special. As a FamilySearch affiliate library, the Pioneer Room gives you free access to extra collections you can't view from home. Stop by during our open hours if you'd like help getting started. We'd love to help you start exploring.